We serve fresh Vietnamese inspired food here at the BonMe truck, using local ingredients when possible and house-made almost everything. Sauces, marinades, spice rubs, house-made drinks. Thanks for waiting. Crazy busy down here.
This is, I guess, a take on a traditional Vietnamese sandwich. It's got barbecue pork, carrots, onions, I think there's cilantro. I normally like to get it with jalapenos. They were out today, but that gives a nice little kick to it. And a bit of chocolate rice pudding for dessert. They usually have good soups too.
Noodle salad with tofu. Thanks.
Soba. Good as always. And yeah, I just love that it's easy to hold in one hand, you know, grab a bite, like you just sit at my desk, have a computer, you know, keep the sandwich in one hand, just do whatever you need it to do.